Well, Rupert Neve Design started with Rupert. We started off with the 5012 mic pre in the Portico series, and we slowly grew the range up. The idea was to take very simple, very well built, with no compromises, analog building blocks that people could plug in to their digital audio workstation setups to enhance the sound that they're already getting with the digital equipment they already have. So the idea is that by switching to Portico, somebody was moving up from, say they bought an M box or a M audio or something like that, they could enhance their sound dramatically by adding a Portico mic pre. And the idea is that it would be small, portable, and affordable for in that kind of mid-high-end price range, but with a sound that's every bit as good or better than Rupert's vintage design, which sell for thousands more. And what he's done is we've recreated a new high-voltage op amp that works on plus minus 45-volt rails, a new set of input and output transformers on every input and output, and the entire console is high voltage and discrete and entirely modular as well. So somebody could start with a simple 16-channel line input only. Then they could add a penthouse and configure mic pre's, EQs, compressors, tape effects, whatever they want pulled from the Portico range that we developed. And then they can also expand the number of channels on upwards. Currently the largest is 48, but we might be doing 64s here shortly. So here the idea was, these are the building blocks that it starts with. You have several iterations of mic pre's, be them dual mic pre, mic pre compressor, mic pre EQ, and then you also have options like the 5-band EQ, stereo dual mono compressor, true tape FX, which is very different from anything else, and another one, the stereo field editor, which is very different from anything else.
What is the price point of these modules?
They start at around $1,200, but most of them are around $1,800 list. The performance of these is actually very modern as far as extremely good noise performance, frequency response on the mic pre's out towards 150 kilohertz, and the features on the design have been implemented such that wherever possible we've tried to implement modes that give a second character. So say for like the mic pre, you have the silk button, which adds in more of a vintage character where it's adding in musical harmonics to the source and rounding out the high end. But same thing with the compressor. You have feed forward and feedback modes. One's more of a vintage, smoother, washier sound. One is more transparent and modern sounding.
Right. So where would our viewers go to get more information about Rupert Neve Design? You have a website?
Well, we have a website, rupertneve.com, and then any of our dealers on our dealer network.
Great. Well, thank you so much.
Very good.
Appreciate it.
Good to meet you.
Bye-bye.